Well, it's painting day over at Adam's house today. So, since this is pretty much all new construction, we got all new sheetrock, everything's been redone, we're gonna go ahead and spray it. So I got my old spray rig out that I've had for over 20 years. And you can see I got stylish shorts on because it's kind of warm out, and I'm gonna put this Tyvek suit on to attempt to keep as much paint off of me as possible. And you know, I don't wear safety gear a whole lot, hence I broke my toe, but I will have a mask on. I'll wear glasses and stuff to try to minimize getting the paint up my nose and in my eyes and stuff, because when you're spraying, it'll get everywhere. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start by spraying primer on. After we get done with the primer, we'll go ahead and switch over to the paint itself, and we're gonna try, we'll see how successful we are, but we're gonna try to do the whole house in a day. Now the first thing you gotta do after you get all suited up, get your paint mixed. Now we picked it up from the store a couple days ago and had it mixed up well there. Like I said, we're starting with the primer. We even had that mixed up. But even so, it's been sitting for a couple days, so it'll start to separate. And so you can use a stirring stick, or we have a little mixer here that we'll use to get this going. All right, we got the spray rig hooked up, primed, ready to go. So now we got to get fluid running through our hoses. And we'll be good to go. All right, so we got all our cleaner and all our storage stuff out of it. So we are set to go. Now we're gonna start at one end of the house and just work our way across to the other end. So the biggest mistake people make with a sprayer like this is they think they can do a really wide swatch. It's really only doing about 10 inches, so you gotta overlap a lot. Otherwise, you're gonna have thick and thin, and that really will show up. Now, not so much on the primer as much as it will on the finish coat.
So just a quick recap. If you're gonna spray, one, you gotta get your sprayer ready. It's gonna have storage material in it to keep it from seizing up. So that's the reason you got to flush the system out with whatever paint, whether it's primer or finish paint that you're going to use. Two, have the safety gear. You know, I'm not a big one who pushes safety gear, but in this situation, you don't want paint going up your nose and in your eyes and stuff. Now, it is hard to wear goggles or anything while you're spraying because they'll fog up on you. And so be prepared to flush your eyes out when you're done. As far as spraying, again, overlap. That is a key technique. And really, you're overlapping in both directions. Not only do you do back and forth with just doing in 5-inch swatches, but then do up and down real quick as well. And that makes sure you get a nice, even coat on everything. Because when it dries, that's what you're gonna see, is that nice, even coat.
Hey, for more quick tips like these, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can get there by going to thipro.com.